Canada Day is just around the corner, and our love for this country is overflowing like maple syrup on a stack of pancakes. So let's get that flag waving in the wind with this week's feature product, the Canada Car Antenna Flag from Flags Unlimited. Measuring in at 5 inches high and 10 inches wide, this little flag may be small, but boasts some powerful patriotism. It's made from Flags Unlimited Duraknit 3, which is a premium polyester fabric that resists frayed edges, and is silk screened with vibrant UV-resistant coloring. Basically, it was designed to last outdoors in our Canadian climates. Attaching it to the antenna is easier than shooting on an empty net, thanks to the Velcro header. Simply peel apart the Velcro, wrap it around the antenna, and press it back together. Now you've got Canadian pride on the go. Now you might be saying, hold on there, bud. My mode of transportation ain't got no antenna. Not a problem, because here at Gregg Distributors, we've got a beaver's dam worth of options to show off that majestic maple leaf. How about a car window flag mount? We've even got miniature flags and bases to keep the flags waving on your table while you snack on a succulent Nanaimo bar. But no matter how much maple leaf you want to show, we've got you covered, starting with this week's feature product, the Canada Car Antenna Flag from Flags Unlimited. What's your favorite piece of Canada merch? Let's gab about it in the comments. And if you like this 100% Canadian content, give us a like and be sure to follow for more. Thanks for watching.